everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope all are you doing well. In today's video, I want to talk about something very real, very important in our relationships, and how pure communication slightly destroy the love in between you. So, because sometimes love is still there, but the connection is gone. Okay, the feeling are there, but the understanding is missing, and that exactly where relationship start suffering. uh, the problem starts with a small thing. The one thing we need to understand is this: communication problem is in a relationship usually don't start in a very big a way. It start with a very small, okay? Things like not replying properly, ignoring certain conversation, and not expressing how you really feel, not expecting the other person just to understand without saying anything. You want your partner should understand without saying anything. That's not going to happen. This is not a god. He's not going to go inside and look at you, look inside you what is going through. So at first the thing don't look serious. You tell yourself it's okay, maybe they are just busy, maybe I'm overthinking. But slowly these small gaps begin create emotional distance. And that thing, now not everyone in a relationships problems got loud. Sometimes the real damage happens in silence, and in the silence current assumptions also sometimes. Now this is where it's get dangerous. Silence, okay? When communication become less, the mind start doing start talking to themselves. You begin to overthink. Why did not get the reply? Did I say something wrong? Are they losing interest? Am I not important to anyone now? Or am I not important to anymore? And the truth is, sometimes the actual issue is not that big. The poor communication makes it feel much bigger. Where there should be clarity, there's a confusion. But okay, where there should be understanding, there's a assumption. Not understanding is there, there's only assumption is there. And assumptions can destroy a relationship faster than most people realize. So what the thing is, the unspoken feelings become distance. One of the biggest mistakes people make in a relationship is this: they feel a lot but say very little. They get hurt but don't say it. They feel ignored but stay quiet. They need reassurance but they expect the other person to just to know. But the truth is, no one can read the mind. If you don't express what you going inside you, the how other person supposed to understand it? Sometimes staying quiet feel natural, but in a relationship silence often creates distance. Or those unspoken feelings slowly turns into frustration, then resentment, eventually small emotional distance. Okay, tone matter more than words. And another important things I forget to forget this communication is not about just a word, it's about the tone also. Sometimes the words may sound fine, sometimes but the tones hurt. You can say I'm fine, but in other tone calls distant and the careless, other person will feel it. You can explain sometimes, but if your energy feels rude, dismissive, if create emotional damage in other heart. In a relationship, it's not just about what you say, it's also about how the other person feels while hearing it. Because love is not only about hearing words, it's also about feeling safe in the conversations. So poor communication feel like lack of efforts. To be honest, when someone stops communicating properly, it's feel doesn't feel like conversation having a changed. It's feel like less in have efforts changed. because communication is just not talking, it's a form of emotional presence. It tells the other person, I care, I'm here, you matter to me, I want to understand you. And when the start fading, the relationship start feeling emotionally empty. That's then when the people begins think like that, maybe I'm not priority anymore. Okay, what's healthy communication actually looks like? So what healthy communication actually look like? It doesn't mean talking 24 into 7. It doesn't mean discussing every small things for an hour, and it definitely doesn't mean always agreeing to other person. Healthy communication means being honest about your feel, listening without always getting deceived. Healthy communication, being honest, trying to solve things maturity, not with the egos, listening without getting defensive. Simple things like saying, that hurt me, I'm feeling off today, I need a little space, I'm not angry, I'm just stressed. These things partner can understand easily. Basically, relations in a relationship, love needs a clarity, not a guesswork. A lot of people say, if the work is real, love is real, it's working, they should understand. But honestly, it does don't fully agree with it. I don't really fully agree with it. Rest, love matters, but love alone is not enough. Clarity matters too much in it. In a relationship, you should not feel like a guessing game where one person only confused and the other one is stays silent. No, that's not going to work. According to me, not at all. A healthy relationship is one where both people try to understand each other every day, every second, every minute, not just leave each other confused. Because emotional safety comes from clarity, and the clarity. So if you really want a relationship last long, just don't love each other, learn how to communicate with each other. Don't just feel things, express them. Don't just assume, clarify that time. Don't just stay quiet, speak with honesty, because relationship really breaks in one moment, that really breaks slowly when the conversation become weaker and the understanding become less. And trust me, love can survive difficult times, but it cannot survive where communication keeps breaking. If you agree with this, let me know in a comment section. Do you think communication is the more important than the love? And if this video connected with you, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And I'll see you in the next video.